Deadass. Okay. Yeah, chat. I don't go fuck. I say Rakai doing too much. Nah, nigga, I don't go fuck what any of y'all niggas say, bro. And you know what actually pissed me honestly off? Like deadass words from the bottom of my heart. It deadass pissed me off that like this nigga Ray could shoot me in my head. Don't get no hate. Everybody, yo, good aim, blah, blah, blah. But if that was fucking me, my nigga, I'll be a whole different fucking story. So everybody suck my dick. Like, I ain't got, like, yo, everybody deadass suck my dick. I don't give a fuck no more. I don't care no more. I don't care no more. Because if I was to shoot Ray in his head, the amount of hate I will get, my nigga. But when Ray do it, it's cool. Good aim and shit like that. So, right, best, suck my whole dick. So, guess what I'm finna do? I'm finna light every firework right here in this room today. Okay, that's what the fuck I'm gonna do. I'm gonna really drag it. It's gonna be, what's gonna be here? Fires here, all that. I'm gonna light every fucking firework. And Ray not here, so we do we're gonna just slide right now. Terry lane with the 5, get the ticket. Yo, chat, thank you for all the 5, get the chat. I'm not gonna wanna miss out. I'm really gonna light this shit up. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Cause the fact that, no, chill out. Bro, chat, stop, bro. You know what I'm saying, nigga? Like, the nigga dead shot, like, and then he blew a whole 36 round firework in my room. You know what I'm saying? So, it's honestly like, jail time, nigga, suck my dick and you get banned. Wait, what Ray say? Hold on, what Ray say? What Ray say in my chat? Hold on. Watch what gonna happen to your room right now. Bro, you're not doing shit, pussy. Suck my dick, and since you said that, I'm gonna slide right now. I'm gonna do none of that games. I'm gonna slide right now. Yo, Barker, go IRL. Or go IRL. All right. Go IRL, my nigga. Go IRL. Barker, you better not be pussy too. That ass. Just slide right now, bro. The fuck you talking to, bitch? Suck my dick, nigga. You liking this shit too. How many shots is this shit?
You sure you want to do the money, Mike?
500 rounds, bitch.
Turn your mic on.
He's not here. We good. Good. He's not here, so. All right, stay in here, but go all the way back there, okay? No, leave out this way. But get this shot. Stay in here, though. Oh, shit. Go here. Show. So. Fuck you talk about, bitch. Come on, play with me. Let's go again. Come on, get it more. Come on. Yeah, I think we done. We not done. This nigga will never be able to sleep there again, nigga. Oh, shit. There's no fire? Look at that shit. Oh, my God. Who in there? Yo, anybody in there? Shane. Yo, Shane, yo! Watch out. There's no fire, right? Fuck. Come over here. I gotta throw it though. Oh, that shit close as fuck. For sure. What the fuck is you doing?
It's smoke. They can't see shit.
Huh? Nah, I'm not done. No. A headshot to the brain with a paintball gun? That's some balls. That's some balls. Bro, hold on, bro. I'm not done yet, mud. Kai said what? The cops are on the way. Kai said, hold on. He said the cops got alerted in the neighborhood. Who got hide all the evidence, bro?
Lady looking at us.
Who? What lady? Where?
She's looking dead at us. She probably caught the
Come on. Top, bro.
Nigga.
Last one.
Nigga, if Kai text you that, we gotta chill out.
Last one, bro. Nigga, imagine nigga just come in here and shoot you in your
I know how that feels. You shot me. So I know, but like you gotta you got to get back, nigga.
Nah, that's not enough.
You lighted one of those. That's good.
Nah. What the chat saying? What the chat saying? Fake demon?
Don't listen to your chat. They instigated.
That's not the cops. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, should I do one more or no?
Your chat is a bad influence, bro. What the fuck?
Oh my God, my prime chain. Yo, what the fuck?
Hello? What's up? Yeah, you gotta turn it off and kind of like.
Chad, look, this shit fucked.
I'm live streaming right now, so I'm not call you back.
I'm call Ray real quick.
No, you good.
If you call Ray real quick.
Yeah, just turn it off and then like slap the battery.
If you call Ray real quick, Chad.
And then turn it off.
Yo, it's not on anymore. Wait. You finna go again, bro. Think what YB did. Think what YB would do. YB would do it so much that a nigga would never fuck with you. Okay, I did what he did, but that's not gonna teach a nigga don't fuck with me, gang. Word. Me doing the same thing he did is like, okay. If I do it bigger and better, nigga gonna really know not to fuck with me. I'm here to prove a point. Cause you stupid. I guess I'm fucking stupid, bitch. Fuck you. Fuck you talking about, bitch. One more. Think I'm gonna let you just zoom in my head? Yo, is anybody in here? Yo. Is anybody in here? Firework finna launch. Is anybody in here? I got Herbert do this shit, bro. I can't breathe.
Don't do it right here. You gotta walk in there.
Oh shit, you scared the fuck out of me. I can't fucking breathe. Here, hold this.
Oh shit. Oh fuck!
Oh my god, chill.
I can't hear anything.
Yeah, no,
I can't hear anything.
No, come on. You good? You don't got shit no more. No, good, bro. You're good, bro. It's just your ear ringing, bro.
Oh my fucking god.
I know, just don't got shit no more. You don't got shit no more. Chill.
pussy for having my little backseat. I got a 10.
Oh my god. That shit dead flew right near you, bro. Are you good, bro?
I can't hear anything, bro.
Huh? Are you good? Are you good? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
That shit exploded right in front of me.
No fires? Good? Sure, bro? How the fuck we doing, nigga? Fuck you talking about I in the chat, man. L suck my dick, cry about it, bitch. I don't go fuck, nigga. Speed on dogs!
You wanna hide this?